5 ingredients.
Kiwis, 2 jalapenos, a sweet onion, cilantro.
The benefits of kiwi is that it helps lower the blood pressure.
That sweet onion really kind of blends everything together.
There it is. Flipping good. Hey, welcome back to the Easy Salsa Recipe channel. And if you're new here, hello and welcome to the channel, and I hope you guys love salsa. And I'm assuming you do, that's why you made it here. So anyways, today we are back in Florida. We're going to be making a spicy kiwi salsa with only 5 ingredients. Really simple. It's just going to be chopped style and it's going to be super good.
Ingredients are real simple. We are using about 6 kiwis, 2 jalapenos, a sweet onion, cilantro, salt to taste, black pepper to taste. So let's get to it. First, we're going to cut these kiwis, and we're just going to cut the top off and then the bottom, and then we're going to slice the sides off slowly. One thing when you're picking out your kiwis is make sure that they're kind of in between firm and ripe. I usually go by obviously the color of the outer skin, and then I go by the softness, and if I give it a kind of a gentle squeeze. But these are pretty good. I had a couple in here. Out of my 6 so far, I had 2 that were a little bit overly ripe, so they're kind of like cutting like a really mushy tomato. So you want to get ones that have a good texture still to them, so they're kind of firm, so they're easier to cut.
And did you know that one of the benefits of kiwi is that it helps lower the blood pressure? So for someone like myself who has high blood pressure, I eat about 3 of these a day. It is a superfruit and it's super good for you.
Next, we gotta cut the onion. For this batch here, it's a small batch, so I'm just gonna use about half of a medium-sized sweet onion.
Please forgive my filming today. I am by myself and I forgot my tripod as well. So I'm kind of trying to cut vegetables while filming and doing everything with one arm, and bear with me. Thanks.
Next, it's time to cut up our jalapenos. Since it's kind of a pretty small batch, I'm gonna start off with 1 jalapeno and then try the heat with this one. And then if there's not enough heat for me, then I'll throw in this other guy. Next, we're gonna just give it a little stir.
The last sweet and spicy salsa that I made was a spicy blueberry salsa, and it was so good. You can check that video out right here.
Let's cut up about 1/4 cup of cilantro, our salt to taste, our black pepper to taste, and then we'll give everything one last mix. It does call for lime juice. I bought some lime chips today, so we're gonna use those for our salsa tonight. So I can't wait, because I haven't had a lime chip in a very long time. So yeah, so today's chips I'm using Tostitos, a hint of lime. So let's do this. You get a nice healthy batch on there.
That is the perfect chip for the salsa. That kiwi, super good. It's hot, but I think I'm gonna add that second jalapeno like I talked about earlier. So let's do that real quick.
So here's what's left of that second jalapeno that I just cut up.
And since it is just me tonight chopping on this amazing salsa, I will be making it however hot I want it to be, right?
And then just give everything one last good mix again. Round 2, so let's see what happens. I think this is going to be the bee's knees. Nice hefty bunch, lots of kiwi, jalapenos. That sweet onion really kind of blends everything together.
Looking for that heat. There it is. Flipping good. Now I'm going to wash it down with the Tropical Jefe. Great blend. This one says Florida all over. I got the tropical hazy wheat, a spicy kiwi salsa. And that's it for today's video. Simple 5 ingredients. If you like these kind of salsa videos, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. We post a new video every Thursday. I'm going to make myself some more chips and salsa.
See you guys.